Yo everyone, what is going on? It is your boy Atomic Yin here, and guys, it is Christmas. It is getting in the Christmas month, and in today's episode, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get a very nice snow effect for your live streams. But James, a snow effect? What do you mean? Well, Jimmy, I'm going to show you how to do this. Hey. So to get your live streams into the winter feels, guys, I'm going to show you how to add snow. Like I said, like always, I stream every Monday, Thursday, Friday over on Twitch, linked all here. And guys, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell right there. It'll be much appreciated, guys. Roll the intro. So guys, to actually get the snow effect, I'm on a website called Snowverlay right here. It's going to be the first link in the description, so hit that link and it'll bring you to this website, or type it in yourself, guys. And you'll be greeted with a lovely image of a snowman and some snow with a little bit of text to the right. So basically, guys, this is it. You have a URL, which is a browser source, and you can control absolutely everything from the right hand side. You can get the snowflake counter, so if you want loads of snow, just click the preview. You got loads of snow like this. You can bring it all the way down, so you have like a few drops. If you want to go for a nice subtle kind of overlay and feel, there is all sorts. By the way, guys, the it's square right now. If you press round and preview, there you go. Now you got the snow. So yeah, guys, you can change the color, the size of it, so you can get big chunky snow, just like this, or you can bring it all the way down to barely minimal. That's a nice effect. I like that one myself. The speed of it, guys, you can make it really fast, you know, like this. So whatever you're going with, it can do. As easy as pie. Opacity, so you got like a nice little opacity right there. I can do it max, so you know you can see it clearly. You can add shadows. I'm going to do the size up a little bit so you can see what it's affecting. Preview. There we go. Let's bring the speed down a little bit. Hold on. There you go. That's better. And image flick. What's image flick? Oh, you can get little snowflakes. That's so cute. I love that. Oh, that's lovely. Guys, we're going to add the snowflakes. I love them. They're adorable. Let's do it. Let's keep it there. Let's make him a little bit smaller. Let's go to 5. And we'll do the speed down to 2. How does that look? That's nice. You know what? I love that. And once you've kind of like played around with it, guys, you can also change the color, by the way. So if you want, for example, red snow. Oh, there you go, guys. So you can't do it with the flake, but if you do it the normal snow, it will go red. But I'm going to have the snowflake on because I think it's pretty cool, to be fair. But yeah, I'm going to stick it to white like this. And once you've kind of played with what you want to do, guys, all you have to do is copy the URL. I'm just going to do right click and copy. Go back to your PC screen right here. I'm going to do it to my PC screen so you guys can see the whole process. So all you want to do is you want to go to your sources. You want to right click and go to browser source. And you want to name this browser Snow Effect. So you click OK. And you want to remove the URL, and you want to paste the URL that we just copied. By the way, guys, you want to have this the width and the height on 1920, and the height is 1080, and press OK, and you guys will have this lovely, cute, adorable little snow effect on your screen. Hey, look how good does that look? That looks amazing. And we're here. Winter is finally here, guys. Let's get in the festive spirit. If you enjoyed this nice, simple tutorial, easy steps, this is what we like to do on this channel. We like to make it just easy. I want to give you guys widgets, tips and tricks, and all that palaver to help you guys have a great live streaming experience. Guys, yet again, I stream every Monday, Thursday, and Friday over on Twitch, so make sure you check it out. It'll be lovely to see you guys there. And yeah, again, subscribe again. It all helps. If you like this mini tutorial, hey, you know what? Click that like button and subscribe. It's free, guys. Hey, support the Panda Army, baby. I'll see you a lot in my next tutorial. Merry Christmas.